Students, today we will deal question number 4 of exercise 12.3. Okay. Question number 4 is division. How to divide two algebraic expression. 3ab divided by minus 4ab. First of all, we will write like this. A will get cancelled, bb will get cancelled. We will get minus 3 by 4. This negative sign will come up. This is the answer. Let's see one more question. 20x to the power 5, y to the power 6, z to the power 2, minus 4x to the power 4, z square. First of all, we will cancel out the numeric value. 4 5s are 20. Minus is here, it will go up. Minus 5. Then x to the power 4 and here is x to the power 5. So 1x will left here. Now z square will get cancelled, but y to the power 6 will be remain here because there is no y term in the denominator. So y to the power 6. This is the answer. Whatever will get cancelled, you have to cancel out, and whatever will left, that you have to write. See one more question. This was a single term division. Now if a polynomial is divided by a single term polynomial, let's see. 6a square b cube plus 12ab to the power 5 4 minus 24a square b to the power 5 divided by 6a square b square. Okay, 6a square b square. Now you will cancel out directly. Do not cancel. As I have taught you yesterday, we will separately divide it, all the terms. Write down separately first. Divided by 6a square b square. Okay, now 6 a square. Here is b to the power 3 b square. So 1b will left here. Plus 6 2 ja 12. So 2 will come here. A square and a, but 1a will be here only. B square b to the power 4. So b square will left here. Okay. Now 6 4s are 24. A square, but here is b square and b to the power 5. So 3b cube will left here. Okay, minus 4 b cube is the answer. Got it? This is the way you have to divide a polynomial by a single term. But in question number 5, there is a divide and verify the answer. Verify means you have to understand how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial, by binomial or trinomial. Okay, this division is very important and you have to verify also. Let's see how. Suppose you have to divide this polynomial by this one. Okay, this is binomial, this is trinomial. How to divide? This is very important, so understand carefully. Steps. Okay, now x, we have to write here x is square. So from what number we will multiply this x so that we will get here x square? Tell me. This x into x will be equal to x square. Okay, but here if I have written x, this x will get multiplied with this 5 also. Here is minus plus minus 5 into x, 5x. Okay, done. In one time, one term only you will take. Now you will have to change the sign. It is plus, so it will come in minus. It is minus, so it will become plus. You have to change the sign before cancelling it. Now x square will get cancelled. This is plus, this is minus. Okay, and here 75, this is a constant term and this is a variable term. 10x plus 5x, you can add this to 10x plus 5x, 15x. Okay, and minus 75 you will write separately. Now 15x you have to write here. So with here is a plus sign, no sign is here, means plus sign. This sign only you have to give here. Okay, whatever the sign will come here, that same sign will go up. Okay, now x with x, what you will multiply so that we will get here 15x. X into 15, we will get x into 15, we will get here 15x. Okay, Now this 5 will also get multiplied with this. Minus plus minus. 15 into 5, 75. Okay, now again we have to change the sign. This is in plus, so it will come in minus. This is in minus, so it will become plus. Minus, plus minus cancel. Minus plus cancel. We will get here 0. This is the complete division. Now how to verify it? Verify means you know the formula. What is the formula for verification? Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay. What is divisor here? This is divisor. X minus 5 is the divisor. What is quotient here? Quotient is the answer. This one. X plus 15. Plus what is remainder? Remainder is 0. Is equal to dividend. Dividend is what? This is the question. Question is only the dividend. Dividend. X square minus 75 plus 10x. Okay. Now multiply it x into x. X square. We will get here. X into 15 plus 15x minus plus minus 5x minus plus minus 75 plus 0. Okay. Here you will write the same thing. Now x square plus minus minus 15 minus 5 we will get 10x. Okay, minus 75 is equal to x square minus 75 plus 10. X square minus 75 plus 10. This is also x square minus 75 plus 10x. Got it? It is 10x. Both are same thing. So LHS is equal to RHS. So verification is also done. Both the side. Dividend will come this side. It means your division is correct. Let's see the question number 5 of your exercise 12.3a. How to divide this. You will understand better. One more question, see. Here you have to write here 8x square. Okay. So how we will write the 8x square? With what number we will multiply this so that we will get here 8x square. Then 2 4s the 8 and x into x we will get. If both will get multiply, what we will get? 8x square. 2 4s the 8, x into x, x square. Okay. Now with this you have to multiply this one also. Minus plus minus 3y into 4. 4 3 ja 12, x into y, xy. Now change the sign. Minus, it will be plus. So this one will get cancelled. Plus minus minus 12xy, but it will not get subtracted because both the variables are different. It will get subtracted with this. Xy is here also, xy is here also. Understood? So subtract it. This is plus, this is minus. Plus minus minus 12 minus 8, we will get 4xy. This is bigger, it has sign plus. So we will give here plus sign only. Means it will be in plus. And this minus 6y square we will write here. Okay. It is in plus, so we will get here sign of plus only. Now again 4xy is here. So you have to multiply with what number here so that we will get here 4xy. This is 2x. 2 2 ja 4. Here is already x. So if we will write here y, then 2 2 ja 4, x into y, xy we will get here 4xy. Okay, plus 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 on. Minus plus, again we will multiply this with this. Minus plus minus 3 2 ja 6y square. Minus plus minus. Now its sign you have to change. This will become plus, this will become minus. Cancel, plus minus cancel. We will get here 0. This is the answer. Now how to verify it? We know divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay. So write down divisor is 2x minus 3y into quotient is 4x plus 2y plus remainder is 0 is equal to dividend is that question only 8x square minus 6y square minus 8xy. Let's multiply this. See, after multiplication we will get this. Okay. Now 8x square plus minus minus. We will get here minus 8xy minus 6y square, which is equal to this. 8x square minus 6y square minus 8x. Here is minus 6y square at last. Here is in between. So doesn't matter. Both are same thing. Okay. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this division is correct because this verification is done. This is the way you have to do. Let's see one more question. Look at here. Question number D. of question number 5 only. 4p square, here is 4p cube. So tell me with what number we will multiply so that we will get here 4p cube. 4 1 ja 4, p square. If you p square will get multiply with p, it will be p cube. So 4 1 ja 4 p cube. Minus plus minus 3p. 3 into p, 3p. Now this minus, this plus, it will get cancelled. Minus plus minus, this will also get cancelled. 6 will be here. Now this 6 is a constant term. So this 6 will not get cancelled by any variable term. Understood? Because you see, if you will multiply this 4 with any number or with any variable, we will get the variable term only. And this is a constant term, so 6 is the remainder. Okay? There will be no further multiplication. Now verification. You know divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Let's see. I have written all the term. Divisor, quotient, remainder is 6, dividend. Okay. 4p square into p, 4p cube. Then minus 3 plus p, minus plus minus 3p. And this plus 6 is the remainder. Now 4p cube minus 3p plus 6, and here also 4p cube, it is not a square. 4p cube minus 3p plus 6, both are same. So LHS is equal to RHS, means this division is correct. Okay. Similarly, 2 questions B and C number you have to do. Look at this steps 2-3 times so that you will understand. Okay. Question number 6 you can do. Area of rectangle is given, you have length is given, breadth you have to find. Simple, you will divide this term, this area by the length. You will get the breadth. If you will not be able to do, then ask me in the group. I will give in the group. Okay. Next video we will discuss this exercise. Exercise 12.4.